In the 5 years that we've been developing Jetpack Compose, we've been working hard to give you all of the features, performance, and tools that you need to build beautiful UIs that run across the variety of Android devices. And you've told us that you're far more productive when working with Compose. Compose has matured into the standard for building Android UI. And we believe that all Android UI should now be built with Jetpack Compose. We call this going Compose first. So from now on, we're going to be providing all APIs, libraries, tools, and guidance in Compose. And we consider the Vue components that Compose replaces to now be in maintenance mode. But don't worry, we'd have no plans to deprecate or remove Vue components just yet. You're not supposed to laugh at that. But they will receive no new features and will only be shipping critical bug fixes to them from now on. The same goes for Vue-based libraries like Fragments, Recycler Vue, and Material Vue components. We consider them to be complete, and they too will only receive critical bug fixes, as we focus all of our efforts on Jetpack Compose. We believe that all Android UI should now be built with Compose, and that you should consider converting existing UI to Compose as you touch it to receive the many benefits of Compose. To help you to convert, and in addition to the skill that we've already launched to help you to convert XML to Compose, we're also working on some new tools in Android Studio. Now, these tools use the knowledge of your Android project in order to augment the agent to help it to convert your UI. Things like deterministically understanding the styles and the resources that your layouts reference, or creating screenshot tests to help you to compare the before and after and ensure that you're getting a good conversion. These will be coming to Android Studio soon, and to learn more, check out the What's New in DevTools talk coming up later. The recent Compose 1.10 and 1.11 releases added a whole raft of new features, from the Retain API to more deterministic testing APIs, improvements to shared element transitions, and new text field features. One of the larger changes that I'm really excited about is a new Styles API, which is experimental in Compose 1.11. Now, we've heard your feedback that you want more customization of components. The Styles API defines a standardized set of stylable attributes, which help you to separate the component's behavior from its appearance. So we think you can use this to make much more easier customization of the components. Styles has built-in support for different states, even letting you animate state changes so you can build much more responsive components. And it's performant out of the box, automatically minimizing recompositions for you. So we're working on Styles and would love your feedback as we continue to build it out. And we plan to add style support to our material components in a future release. For more details, I highly encourage you to check out this talk on the style system. So Compose not only helps you to build a more stylish app, but it also can help it be performant. In our latest release, Compose 1.11, we're seeing even better performance across key CUJs like scroll jank, startup speed, and even in hybrid UIs where you interleave views and compose. To back this up, we're releasing a new suite of benchmarks which compare real-world app performance between views and compose. These are open source, so you can check them out and verify the results for yourself. And best of all, you get most of these benefits just by upgrading the Compose version, so make sure that you're using the latest release. And it's not just benchmarks. We see this in production too. In fact, TikTok told us that the expressive Compose APIs help them to rewrite a number of their screens into Compose. And this not only made their code more maintainable, but they also saw performance improvements, seeing a reduction in page load time of up to 20 to 30%. And in one case, they saw a huge 78% speed up. We're also working on a trio of new Compose APIs to help you to build adaptively. Firstly, Media Query greatly simplifies querying a device's capabilities, such as screen size, or pointer precision, or keyboard presence, so that you can use these signals to adapt your UI. Next up, we're launching a new Flexbox implementation, which is a very flexible layout to help you to grow, shrink, or wrap elements depending on the available size. Again, helping you to build components which will resize for different devices. And finally, Grid is a new layout which you can use to divide up and place your content into a regular grid structure. Now, this can be extremely useful as a root level layout if you want to rearrange your content based on different screen sizes. Flexbox, Media Query, and Grid are all experimental APIs in Compose 1.11, so please try them out and give us your feedback. And speaking of large screens, don't forget about the largest screen in your house, your TV. Pointer remotes are coming to Google TVs to help you to quickly navigate around the interface.